Welcome friends. Welcome to this session on Mindful Mondays by Madhuban. I'm here again to bring a new series for you which talks about various aspects of education. हम लोगों ने बहुत ब्यूटीफुली इस कोविड टाइम में एजुकेशन को आगे लेके गए एंड वी रियली प्रूव्ड दैट हम टीचर्स अगर चाहें तो हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. हम अपने स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जो बेस्ट है उनके इंटरेस्ट के लिए उसको करने के लिए किसी भी हद तक जा सकते हैं. And we all proved it very beautifully. But अब जब शायद ऑफलाइन वापस शुरू होगा और हम सब वापस शायद एक बारी स्कूलों में फिर से जाके बच्चों के साथ फिर जा पाएंगे, हम उस चीज़ के लिए आज थोड़ा सा तैयार होना चाहेंगे. यस, अगर एक सवाल मैंने पेरेंट्स से, स्टूडेंट्स से, टीचर्स से सबसे किया कि क्या कुछ था जो इन वर्चुअल क्लासरूम्स में मिसिंग था, क्योंकि हमने एज टीचर्स बहुत कुछ एफर्ट किया और इस एजुकेशन को आगे ले गए, पर क्या था जो मिसिंग था. एंड यूनानिमसली व्हाट आंसर आई गॉट फ्रॉम एवरीबडी वाज द ह्यूमन टच. यस, द ह्यूमन टच वाज मिसिंग all this while we beautifully created the virtual classrooms. Why was this human touch missing? And why is it important for us? Because there is nothing more important in the classroom than the relationships you create with your students. I learned this very early in life during my teaching career, that they do not care how much you know until they know that how much you care for them. So we as teachers feel that we care for the children. Yes, we do. But then somehow we are all different individuals, different human beings, and we come from different cultural settings, and we are grown up with different upbringings and different cultural beliefs, and we bring all that to the classroom, and that is where we create a little difference. So then can we do something about it? Yes. There are students who do not know what they can be unless somebody tells them what they can be. And मैं एक छोटी सी आपको एक लाइव एग्जाम्पल देना चाहूँगी. आई वुड ड्रॉ योर attention to the life of one of the top 10 world motivational speakers, Les Brown. He was born on the floor of an abandoned building in Miami. And whole his life he was struggling, and even in his academics he was struggling. And so much so that he was labeled as coachable mentally, or educable mentally challenged person. And he was also shifted from grade 6 to grade 5. And when he came in grade 5, he came across a teacher. The teacher asked him to come to the board and do a question. And the answer that he gave was, "No ma'am, I can't." And when asked why he can't, he says, "Ma'am, I am educable but mentally handicapped." So this label that was put by the adults or the intelligentsia of his time became his reality. And then this teacher comes back and tells him, what someone feels about you cannot become your reality. Someone's opinion about you should not become your reality. So she reassured him of his own capabilities, and from there on he had no looking back. With all those years in the schooling that followed, one teacher's revelation that yes, you can do it, brought all the change in him. And he is known for one phrase which is very often uttered for him, is that you have the greatness within you. And that person went ahead to prove that. And do you know that one thing more I would like to tell you about his life, that he also had a twin brother who was very competent, and he was very focused and very gifted. And all those times his peer also referred to him as the dumb twin, the DT. So that became that child's reality. So it took just one teacher to bring that change in his life once again. So while we all did very beautifully during the COVID times, can we now take on this responsibility of turning the life of every child, every such child that comes across our way? Yes, we can. एक और मैं छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल मेरे सामने आया था अभी थोड़े दिन पहले ही मैंने न्यूज़ में पढ़ा था दैट एक प्रिंसिपल, इट्स नॉट ऑफ इंडिया, इट्स समवेयर इंटरनेशनल, कि एक प्रिंसिपल को अलाउइंग द चाइल्ड टू वेयर अ हैट इन द क्लास, he was made to apologize to the management. He was not allowed to do that, and the child would refuse to take off the hat. And when that principal called the child and very gently asked the child why would he not remove his hat, what reply the child gave was, मेरे को अपना हेयर कट पसंद नहीं है. What does this mean? A small thing like a haircut brings about a change in how the child feels about himself, which indirectly impacts his self-esteem. So let's all take a vow that yes, we as teachers would not do anything to hamper the self-esteem of a child. We all have got stories of such similar stories which we all have experienced in the classrooms. Let's make it a platform to share all our experiences. So all your experiences are welcome. Thank you.